Hello everybody, Laura Lee Roberts from Offerings of Wonder by Laura Lee. I was packing up some of the Hoot boxes, so I thought I would do a little video to let you see. So I've already got the kit inside the box, and the theme for our May box was Maya, the Greek goddess of growth. And so they are making the May gathering basket, and that's the kit. They are getting these amazing gloves, just to show you guys. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. They are great for gardening. They've got these plastic things that makes it great for digging, for making holes, for getting weeds out, all good things. So pretty excited about these. So I'm going to put those in the box. Packing the box is always interesting because we want it to be tight so the kit stays nice and safe, but we also want to get all the goodies in. So we've got those. Their basket-related gift this time are the side cutters. So they're getting a pair of side cutters. So those go in. And then I said the theme was Maya, the goddess of growth. And so they're getting these wonderful roses that have LED lights in them. So they're beautiful just as they are, just to see. They sit outside. They've got the solar powered. They sit aside. They're just gorgeous. I mean, take a look at these. They are amazing. They look so real. But what's really cool about them is they have LED lights in them. And when they turn on in the evening, they change through 7 colors of lights, and so they rotate through, and they are just absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to put those in the box, but they're big, so we're doing a little bit of bending to make sure that they get in the box and they won't be too fresh. All right, so those go in next. Of course, you need the pattern. There's the basket that they'll be making. It's the May Gathering basket. So they get the pattern. So put that in there. That's going to kind of go on top, cover everything in. Their bonus item this month was this beautiful towel, little basket towel. It says, I love basket weaving. And that in. This was done by, I live in Louisville, Kentucky, and this was done by a local company called BDK Embroidery. You can find them on Facebook if you want to get them. Of course, we get the cards telling about our theme for the month, talking about sharing information, what's inside, and then, of course, everybody gets a coupon code every time for being part of the Hoot Basket Club. So we're going to put those right on top. Do my checklist, just make sure we got everything in it. Our kit, our tool, our garden gloves, the solar lights, basket weaving towel. All right, got everything in. We have a checklist on the box too, for people to take pictures and post and share, and also to share as they're making the basket and how they use the basket afterwards. Then we make sure everything's in nice and well. Make sure it's all good. Put it in. Gonna close it up nice and tight. And then I had these really fun stickers that says you are going to love what's inside. And so we're putting those on. Just think that's fun. Get people excited before they open it up. And then you add it to the stack. So that's where we are so far. Still got a whole bunch to go, but that's okay. I just wanted to share a little bit with you guys. We'll post this video, even though we're doing it. Today is Monday. What is today? May 8th? Huh. May 8th, yes, Monday, May 8th. Packages will start shipping out tomorrow. I have some local people picking up. And then I will post this after they all receive their boxes and open things up, because they haven't seen what's inside yet, other than they know the kit. They don't know the other goodies that they're getting. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I will talk to you soon. Bye.